Hi, I'm Belinda, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really innovative rice milk micellar cleanser. This is the product we're going to be making here. As you can see, it's got a beautiful milky appearance and it's great to use to remove your water-based makeup. Let me show you how it's made. Now I've got some water and some glycerin already prepared. To this I'm going to add an organic hydrosol. Now this is actually going to give the aroma of the product, so you could use whichever hydrosol you want to use to impart its aroma into the finished product. Next I'm going to add the rice milk part of the formula, and I'm using the Rice Almond Oil Herbamilk Eco by Lipoid Cosmetics. Now what they do is they suspend almond oil droplets in the aqueous rice extract phase using hydrogenated phospholipids. The benefits of doing this means that we get to add some super fatting properties to the formula without needing to use a traditional PEG or other super fatting type agent. It gives a beautifully soft finish to the end product, as well as a fantastic marketing story for your consumer. Now, being that it's water soluble, we can just add this straight into our water mixture. Next, I'm going to add some Symbiosolve Clear Plus by Avonic. Now, this is actually my cleansing material that's going to help with that makeup removal. And finally, I'm going to add my plant-based preservative. Next, I'm just going to check and adjust pH. And there we have the rice milk micellar cleanser. Now don't worry if there's a little bit of foaming on the day. By the next day it will settle out really nicely to be this beautiful milky mixture. Now of course you can't add regular food grade rice milk into your formulas because it comes present with other preservatives, gums or stabilizing agents that could really impact your formula and functionality of the final product. So using a rice extract with almond oil in a milky mixture like this means you can add the benefits of a rice extract and almond oil into an otherwise completely water-based formula. Remember, you can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group so that you can split packs with others near you and access some of these amazing materials that make these products possible. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create a rice milk micellar cleanser. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!